Okay, now let's talk about how you can find information related to all cryptocurrencies. The favorite site I use is CoinMarketCap. You can go to coinmarketcap.com, and when you do, you'll see the screen here. It lists all cryptocurrencies on the market and ranks them based on their current market cap. When you click on a cryptocurrency, such as Ripple, you'll see a lot more information related to this coin. You can visit Ripple's website right here, where you can read their white paper to learn more about their technology, what the coin is about, as well as their development roadmap. After understanding the coin you're looking to invest in, you can judge whether it will have a bright future. Back to CoinMarketCap, scroll down, and you'll see this coin's chart. As you can see, in January 2017, Ripple was selling at 0.6 of a cent, and just 5 months later, it was selling at over 38 cents a coin. That's a return of over 6,000%. And in just 1 year, its value has increased to about $3 per coin. Now, just do the simple math. If you'd invested $1,000 in Ripple back then, you could buy 166,000 coins. And just 1 year later, you could sell your Ripple coins for over $500,000. So, you see the potential of investing in cryptocurrencies now. You can easily multiply your money and become a millionaire in just a few years, if you do it the right way. Alright, you can also click on the Markets tab here. You'll see all the exchanges where you can buy Ripple. As you can see, you can buy it on Binance, Kraken, Bittrex, and some other exchanges that we've already had accounts with. Click on the Social tab. You can read what people are saying about this coin. Trading cryptocurrencies depends primarily on supply and demand. We'll get into this in the next module. So if people love a particular coin, there will be a high chance that its value will keep increasing in the future. If you find that there are a lot of negative reviews, you may want to avoid buying this coin as people don't trust it. In the next module, I'll teach you my profitable cryptocurrency trading strategies that you can apply right off the bat and start making a good profit from your investments.